welcome you all for this beautiful full moon meditation of June month. Today we are on 5th of June, the year being 2020. The year which is showing a lot of ups and downs. Maybe at this point of time you might be feeling only the downs. But remember this, that in this particular downward time is what you may find yourself, what you could anchor yourself. There are times where you need to relax, revive, regenerate, get back all your resources. Give it time to even rewind too. Just look at all the hours. Rewind from January 2022 till now. After the rewind, just look at your review. What does it make you feel? How does it feel comfortable to you? What kind of emotions are coming up? Just be in the zone. Do not try to score your period of this. Do not try to criticize yourself. Just be yourself. There is a divine plan. There is a divine need and necessity to be in this time. And also thank the universe for keeping you safe, your family members safe, your near and dear ones who are close to you safe. Maybe some of them are stuck in the places and have challenges. So send them beautiful white light energy of good thoughts, good feelings, good vibes and wishes. That whatever situation that they are in, let them be safe, stay safe, be safe, and be happy and joyful in whichever situation they are. We are now going to start our meditation. As quite a few are aware that there is also an eclipse, and there are quite a few planets are in retrograde. Without having to go specifically into each and every planet, let us take their energies. Each planet has its own energy. The moon has its own energy. Other celestial beings that you can travel to today has their own energies. There are other beings which are now blessing you. They are around you. Like I said, if you already light a candle or a diya or a lamp, just be. If you haven't done it, so don't stress about it. Just be in this room. Just visualize that internal light right in your forehead, between the eyebrows. That is a light that you need to look into it right now. For a few minutes, I will do a relaxation process. Just observe and notice your breathing. Get connected to the feeling of the touch, the sounds coming from the background, from my voice, from the music at the background. Maybe your own environment sounds which are coming. Could be the air conditioner, could be noise coming from the street, could be the bird flying here and there. Allow every sound to enter your body. Do not try to ward it off. Do not try to send it off. Do not try to purge it out. There's a purpose, there's a need for it. And sounds will travel through different layers. And sounds will also travel to within your cell. Every cell, every of your body, let it relax and give that command. But each and every cell of my body is relaxing. My cells are relaxing. My muscles are relaxing. My tendons are relaxing. My bones are slowly aligning themselves. My organ functions are calm and gentle. They're relaxing. My lungs are not exerting on themselves. The heart slowly slowing its heartbeat and giving you company for this beautiful strawberry moon meditation. Maybe some of you would be managed to get the strawberries, but doesn't matter. You have tasted the strawberries, you've seen the strawberries, the beautiful glow of the red, the juiciness of the fruit, and they connect to the moon. As we're preparing ourselves for this journey into the planet and to the moon, you can choose any planet that you would like to visit today. Anything that your mind picks up, anything that the body wants it, just allow it to go, allow it to travel. But do not rush through yourself, we'll go through our own path. Maybe for quite few minutes, let us spend our time, a beautiful time, with a beautiful moon. For some of you from different parts of the world, the moon would have been still hiding, not visible to you, but is present. It's completely in its phase of showing up. Just stay connected. Maybe just recollect some of the beautiful memories that you have with the full moon. Right from your childhood, where your mother used to feed you by showing the moon. Recollect the beautiful energies of the moon, the mother, and you, the small little child that you were. The beautiful play that you used to have, looking at it, hiding and seeking, the moon playing between the clouds, hiding out, you running behind. Beautiful, magical, fun memories. Maybe during your childhood, you would have been chasing the moon, trying to see where the moon is hiding. Our mother's giving us a different name for the moon in your own mother tongue, in your own way. Maybe you're clapping looking at the moon when you're trying to be fed. Beautiful memory. Bring back the same joy, same happiness, same curiosity. Bring back the same enthusiasm into you right now. We have to be the child in front of the moon. The same child which had that beautiful memories which are beautiful. Play with the moon. Bring that memory of that beautiful moon. And even for me, the moon is playing out in hide and seek game. Is there? I've got a huge tree in front of my home. It's just trying to be playing hide and seek. But I know that after some time, he'll be visible, but I can see him in full glory. His bright and beautiful color. The time now for us to take a journey into the sky. Make yourself comfortable to take this beautiful journey right now. With your body being so light, so energetic, with the memories from the childhood, slowly allow your body to float, allow your mind to carry that, slowly allow it to move forward. So we start first getting out of the home to the ceiling. If you got multi-story building, just allow your consciousness to slowly float out. Let it move out of the building, at whichever building that you are, and keep moving up and up and up and up and up. Maybe you can see the beautiful shades. Maybe still it's visible as white cloud, dark blue or dark black, or the shades of gray of the sky. Allow your energy to swift through, dive, swim, way to the beautiful cloud, and looking at the moon and the moon inviting you. You're becoming a light being, a beautiful light being. Of such divinity, such joy, such happiness, such fun. Allow your body to keep going up and up. Maybe the building, the city is all becoming like a tiny dot of light. You can see flashing of light. Maybe you can see the light. If still there is a lot of sunlight, you would see that the city is slowly becoming smaller and smaller. The buildings are becoming tinier and tinier. As if you have written a painting, a drawing, in your drawing book, of all the buildings, all the roads, streets, lakes, ponds, the ocean, everything that you are in. Now we now slowly start traveling out of the Earth hemisphere, crossing the range of the Earth. It's such a beautiful feeling, the energy that you are getting from the sun, from the moon. Just travel towards the moon. Maybe you are becoming like a cosmonaut, space agent, but you don't need any gas. You can telecommute from any place to any place. Allow yourself to slowly go towards the moon. With that energy of the strawberry moon, whatever the light that is emitting, whatever the energy that is emitting, you don't need to step on the moon. As you go closer to the moon, as you go closer to the orbital space of the moon, allow yourself to embrace the beautiful energies that you can find there. Soothing, calming energy. Maybe you're feeling very calm, The body is getting cold, feeling the temperature of the cosmos, the universe. As you're going there, you can also see various planets. Maybe you'll be able to see even the moon, sun also. Whatever you are journeying, just be aware of what is happening around. Maybe you have got other planets like Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Pluto, Venus. Wherever you need to travel with the beautiful black cosmos, with the sparkling light of all the stars, meteors. There is the Milky Way, there's a galaxy that's going around. Maybe you could also see some of the satellites made and sent by the human beings, like our fellow beings, who've been able to technologically achieve this feat. Just feel that beautiful space. Maybe you want to play like a child, jump, somersault, do whatever. You are in a space, in a vacuum. Nor you have to worry about hurting yourself, nor you have to worry about damaging yourself. It's a beautiful space to be. Just allow yourself to play. This is your playground. The beautiful universe that you are in right now. With that beautiful play that you are in right now, take your own time to flip, move, dance. Maybe you want to do cartwheel. Maybe you want to do flip. Maybe you want to do a headstand. Anything that you would like to do. You're defying gravity. The body is defying gravity. You're feeling very light, very light, very light. Now remember, this is what is the source all about. Each one of us who are present in the meditation today are a light being. With that lightness, with that beautiful feeling of connectivity with all other beings as such, allow yourself to be in this beautiful zone of this infinite cosmos, the endless, the universe, like we say, and the consciousness that we talk about. We always say that nor we have an opening, nor there's a closing, nor there's a beginning, nor there's an ending. As you keep to try to keep traveling in this, you keep trying to zip through this beautiful universe, you will see that it's endless. Feeling so light, the speed is astonishingly high. If there is any one planet that calls out to your attention, if you want to explore that planet, just go there. Just go there and be in that place. You don't need to step on it, just have to be in the orbital space. You want to check what is there in the Jupiter, the ring, the Uranus, the Mercury. You want to go to the Mars. You want to go to Pluto. Any planet for that matter. Anywhere that you find it comfortable. Anywhere you feel necessary. whichever planet your body takes you, your energetic body takes you, just travel there. But I would like to suggest that you visit the following planets if you need: Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Pluto. These are the planets which are in retrograde. If you do not wish to visit this planet and take the energies from them, do not worry about it. Just be in that beautiful cosmic energy of that beautiful divine energy that you are in right now. If there are certain downloads that you need to get from these planets or the light beings around the space or the cosmos, allow your soul to carry those imprints. Let it cool down, let it download. Just allow your body to process it, because whatever you are journeying right now, whatever experiences that you are going through, allow your body to experience it. Do not try to disconnect from the body feelings and body somatic. What is the body feeling? What is the sensation? Anything for that matter. Does it feel heavy? Does it feel lighter? Does it feel cold? Does it feel uncomfortable? Does it annoy you right now? Is it irritating at this moment when the day is happening? Allow the body to be what it is. Let it process. Let it process. And your energy body, which is traveling this now, the different planets and around the orbit of the moon, allow it to tap into the source, tap into that energy. What you require. It's like a nice regeneration. As if your body is getting nicely regenerated, you're getting that battery charged up. Your soul is getting charged up. You're getting some awareness, getting some download. You're tapping into your own etheric records, the Akashic records, the book of life, the book of records. If there are any flashes of images which are not from the current life, allow it to register, acknowledge it, but don't try to worry about it. So, like in the space, there is no time. It is beyond time. Everything is happening at the same time. The past, present, and the future is happening at the same time. Allow it to process it. Like there is no ending, there is no scale. You can't take a scale and find a direction. Whether it's the north, east, west, south, or you want to find anything. There's the top or the bottom. In this infinity space, there's no concept of that. Do not try to induce yourself into logical thought. Allow it to be creative. Allow it to be enjoyable, memorable journey that you are going through right now. If the body is showing some resistance to travel, tell the body, acknowledge what you're going through. Acknowledge your emotions, acknowledge your feeling, acknowledge your somatic movement is happening. And they said, you're my body. And say this, anchor this, my body, my body, my body. Maybe you could connect it to the words that I'm going to tell you right now. My life is delicious. My life is sweet. My life is delicious and sweet. My mind is strong. My thoughts are positive. And my mind is clear. My mind is strong. My thoughts are positive. Every step that I take is a step in the right direction.
Every step in the right direction.
There's also time for you to let go or release certain things on this beautiful strawberry moon. I would like to suggest the following. You can say to yourself, I release my limiting beliefs. I release all the obstacles to my path. I release all fears and doubts. I release those relationships that no longer serve my highest goal. I release attachment to outcome. I release externalized desire. I release pain and suffering as a means to grow. I release all that is no longer in alignment with my highest goal for the greatest good. And as you keep breathing in, you can say, I'm inviting calmness. As you're breathing out, you can say, I'm letting go of anxiety. Breathing in, I invite healing. Breathing out, I let go of any discomfort or disease in my body. I'm repeating it once again. Breathing in, I invite calmness. Breathing out, I let go of anxiety. Breathing in, I invite healing. Breathing out, I let go of disease or discomfort. Breathing in, I invite acceptance. Breathing out, I let go of opposition. Breathing in, I invite love. Breathing in, I let go of hatred. Breathing in, I invite peace. Breathing out, I let go of anger. Breathing in, I invite courage. Breathing out, I let go of fear. Breathing in, I invite confidence. Breathing out, I let go of self-doubt. Breathing in, I invite gratitude. Breathing out, I let go of resentment. Breathing in, I invite forgiveness. Breathing out, I let go of blame. Breathing in, I invite serenity. Breathing out, I let go of commotion. Breathing in, I invite connection. I let go of separation when I breathe out. Breathing in, I invite balance. Breathing out, I let go of disharmony. Inhale, let. Exhale, go. Make this a rhythm of your body. Say this to yourself. Tell your each and every cell of your body. Inhale, let. Exhale, go. Every time you inhale and exhale, program your body to use this word, let go. Let go. Let go. As you breathe into these words and you say let because you're breathing in, and when you say go, you're exhaling outwards. It's so beautifully done out. Keep breathing. And every breath, you're saying this, let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. And you can see to tell yourself once again, I choose to let go of all that no longer serves me in this moment, in this space, and also in all dimensions and timelines, past, present, and the future. Because we are in this beautiful cosmic universe, and like I told you, there is no past, there is no present, there is no timelines, there are no limitations at all. And consciously keep telling to yourself, I choose to release all that distracts me from my life purpose. I choose to let go of all resentment, blame, hatred, and I choose to forgive all those who have harmed me and to ask for forgiveness from all those I might have harmed them. I choose to accept the control I have over my own life while allowing myself to be guided and supported by the Divine Spirit. I lovingly receive and accept your guidance and support. And keep breathing in. I am open to receiving the abundance of opportunities. I am open to receiving the abundance of opportunities that are flowing to me in abundance. I am open to receiving them now. I allow myself to receive all that I deserve, all that I desire. If certain decision that you're trying to hold on, trying to put it on hold, try to decide, try to contemplate, maybe take few moments right now in this beautiful cosmos. Is this the right time for me to let go of this? Is it the right moment for me to let go of this and take a firm decision, which is going to be for my highest good? Because you know what is good for you. You know what is best for you. You don't have to think too much about this. Just allow your light body to experience, to feel, to process what it needs to process. Just look at other light beings around. If at all you're finding your own light being master, guide, angel, a fairy, your ancestor, a deity, a god, goddess of your own belief, your own lineage. Just allow that energy to flow into you. Take their guidance, blessings, mentoring. Tell them to keep Isn't it beautiful to stay in this beautiful moon energies and other planets? Thank yourself for taking this time out for your self-care of the soul. This nutrient, this nourishment, this vitality that you require. Thank your body for allowing you to experience this. Making way for this beautiful meditation. Making way for it to happen. Making way for it to embrace you. Making way for you to adapt to the new reality. With this beautiful moon that you're seeing around, that energy of the moon, every cell of your body is glowing. Every cell, every organ is glowing. And you're beautifully recharged for 1 month. You don't need to worry about it from tomorrow. As if you have fed your soul, your body, your light body, your energy body, your vital energy body. Everything has been fed for next 1 month. Just be in this beautiful thing. You might be wondering what happened to the strawberry. Don't worry, I have not forgotten about it. As you journey back, I'll take you into the strawberry field. I want the child, the bubbly child in you, to go and play in the strawberry field. Pick up the strawberries, juicy, shiny strawberry. Feel the tangy, sweety taste of the strawberry. But we have time. As you journey backwards, you don't have to rush through because you're a light being and you can travel at the speed of light. You don't need to worry, oh, am I going to take time to reach back? Take your own time from whichever planet that you're visiting right now. Having a conversation there, having a beautiful contact, connect with that particular planet, with the moon. Enjoy. Be in that beautiful moment. Get that connect. Get that beautiful connect. Bring that energy back with you, with all the light beings around you. Slowly let us start journeying back to our home. I know this is not our home right now. The body's home is right now belongs on the earth. Our home for the soul is beyond all these things. It's beyond time, beyond space. It's eternal space. It's most beautiful. thank the beings around who have shown up, who have appeared. And journey backwards till you go back home. The body which is there right now to go through certain experiences is there in the current state that you started your meditation. But before we come back to the body, I will guide you through a beautiful experience to running into the strawberry field. As you're slowly recouping, recovering, slowly coming back to the body, slowly coming into the earthen orbit. See the beautiful moon energy showering its glowing, soothing energy on the strawberry field. Maybe the moonlight is making the strawberries glow and try to play hide and seek with you. They're not completely visible. They're trying to say, come play with us. Bring the child in you, the energetic child in you, which would like to experience, which would like to go through this beautiful field experience. Maybe you want to pick some strawberries, peel them, put them in your mouth, taste them. Maybe you want to put it in your hand. You want to see it, the beautiful texture that it has got, the shiny, soft texture. Maybe you want to put it on your palm, put it on your cheeks. Get the child in you outside playing in this beautiful strawberry field. Let it run. Let the child, the baby, the child run into the strawberry field. Trying to play around, picking up something, playing around with the fruits. Something has fallen on the ground. The leaves making that ruffle sound, ruffling. As you step, walk, run. Are there anybody else there? Is there somebody waiting for you? Your friends, your mom, your father, your parents waiting for you, your siblings waiting for you? If they're waiting, just see. Play with them. Maybe they are all waiting for you to come and play with them. Just enjoy that moment of playing with them. A few moments. Imagine, visualize that beautiful strawberry in your hand. How much ever your palms can hold, 10, 15, 20. Or maybe you have collected a basket, no problem. Look at the shade of the moon, the light rays of the moon falling on the strawberry, giving you that nice, beautiful texture of the strawberry red, a very distinctive color with the leaf, the green leaf, and the yellow, brown dimples. Enjoy that moment of the child playing with the strawberry field. You wish you could get back with you, you can pick some strawberries with you and come back. The quality that you can find with the strawberry, the nutrient that you can find with the strawberry, the energy of the moon which is doused into it. So Slowly start returning to your place, the home that you are in right now, the home for the body, the home for the identity, physical identity that you have. Allow it to slowly bring back that energy, the juicy energy of the full moon, the other energy that you tapped into from different planets, other being that you met, you had a contact with. Any of your fairy, an angel, a deity, a guru, a master, a god, a goddess, anybody from it. Maybe you just got some information. Maybe you picked up something from your etheric records, book of life, from the Akashic records. With that download that you have done right now in this meditation journey, slowly start bringing awareness to your body and say, this is my body. And just say to yourself or feel this energy that I am, I am, I am, I am, I am, I am, I am. Slowly start bringing awareness to your toes. Slowly bring awareness to your heels. Slowly feel the ankles. Feel your calf muscles and the shin bone. Slowly bring awareness to your knees and your thighs and the pelvic area. As you're doing this full moon cleansing, maybe you can take your time to even cleanse and pull the energy to all your chakras. Right from root chakra, solar, intermediate chakra, sacral, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye, and bring that energy right up to the crown chakra. With all this energy around, slowly make small movements with your fingers. Maybe turn your head left to right, right to left. Very small movement. Maybe if you're lying down, you can slowly turn towards your right or left. If you're sitting and doing the meditation, try to bring little movement to your back, spine, but don't be very hard on your body. Be gentle, but keep your eyes closed for some time. Slowly start giving a command to the eyes that as I let go of what was needed, and as I go to open my eyes, I've chosen happiness, joy, kindness, compassion, abundance for my life. I choose for the highest good of my life. I choose and align myself to my life purpose. Slowly roll your eyeballs within the eye socket. Don't open the eyes as that. slowly blink your eyes for a couple of seconds. And if you have some water bottle nearby, just pick up the water bottle and sip it out. Be soft and be gentle on yourself. With this, we come to the end of the meditation. Thank you for being part of this and taking your time and trusting this process of the Strawberry Moon meditation.